So I've been working on my backyard, putting in a new lawn, and I just bought one of these Orbit watering delay timers. So I have the timer set off to fire off 3 times a day to water my yard so that the seed stays moist. I was getting ready to program this one, so I figured I'd do a video to show you guys what's involved with it in case you are interested in the product. And it's pretty easy to do. I'll show you what's involved. Alright, so first things first, when you take this out of the package, I already did this, but you're going to need to add 2 AA batteries to it. They slide right into there. Get a brand name battery. I threw a couple of good door cells in there. Then lock it into place. Give it a little tug, make sure it's all set, snapped in. So you got to set the clock. And let's see, at the time of this video, it's almost 5 minutes of 12. So I'm going to, there you go. So I'm going to set the timer to the correct time of starters. Okay, so we have the correct time set. It's 11:54 a.m. So once you start the clock, set the clock, you're going to put it to start time. And this is the time that it's going to start. So I'm going to start it early in the morning. And I have another timer going, another Orbit timer that I'll show you. So I'm going to kind of stagger these. So this one's going to fire off at 7:15 in the morning. So once you have your time set from the start, it turn the dial. And it says for how long, so how many minutes. I'm going to set mine for 7 minutes. So it'll start at 7:15 in the morning, run for 7 minutes, and then it'll shut off. Okay, so now we're going to do how often. And you can set it up so it fires off every day, every other day, and then you can keep on going all the way to 7 days. So I'm going to set this for every 6 hours. Just kind of keep pressing the thing. So it goes 6 hours, every 12 hours. So I'm going to do it every 6 hours. So I have it to kick off at 7:15. So every 6 hours, this thing is going to fire off until it hits midnight. And then it'll come back on. Should come back on at 7:15 again. So that is all set. And turn the dial. You can just hear it click there. I mean, I could hear the little port inside close. And it should be closed inside. I heard it and I could feel it in my hand. When you want to run the timer, just click it to auto and now you'll be good to go. It'll automatically kick in